You're in a store browsing clothes for a dinner date with this person you've had a crush on for a year. The online store you're checking out is a unique brand. They only sell limited edition, ethical, handcrafted clothes. You keep scrolling and see a nice top. It has exotic designs that each portray the history of coastal Kenyan culture. You try it on using a digital avatar that has all your measurements. It looks good, classy, but not overbearing. You hold your finger and press buy. The top's been purchased, and it should arrive on your doorstep in a few hours. You go back to your couch and message your date. You were able to save time and avoided the rush hour traffic. That's because you never left the house. This scenario may be familiar to you. People have been shopping in the online realm or the metaverse for years, and this trend will be forging fashion's future. How will this shape the future of fashion, you may ask? Well, that shirt you ordered isn't just any shirt. It contains a digital twin that you can access by scanning the QR code or NFC tag attached to it. This shirt is called a phygital. Phygital means that the item lives in both the physical and digital worlds. Unlike average clothes, your phygital shirt has a digital twin that gives you exclusive access to unique content and loyalty rewards. You can even bring it to your favorite online game. Your phygital shirt also reduces fast fashion's harmful environmental impact. Its digital twin gives the brand owner royalties from secondary sales, capturing more value the longer something is in the market. This encourages the company to create quality apparel that lasts longer, instead of substandard garments that quickly end up in landfills. Brands can now earn more money while contributing to a circular economy. Groundbreaking, right? These phygitals are all powered by Real Items technology. In addition to these benefits, Real Items phygitals help enterprises grow through venture capital. Nowadays, investors consider ESG metrics before investing in a company. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. It's a standard that investors check to see a company's sustainability. Research has shown that companies with integrated ESG standards have a good corporate reputation, consumer preferences, business ethics, and supply chain reliability. These metrics reduce investment risk. Real Items phygitals are authenticated on the blockchain, so products throughout the supply chain are tracked, and the data collected can be integrated into your company's infrastructure for more accurate, timely, and quality ESG data. Want to turn your products into phygitals? Contact us at realitems.io. The future of fashion is at your fingertips. Composability, sustainability, and profit are just a few of the benefits of using Real Items phygital technology. And who knows, your phygital shirt's historic Kenyan designs could make an excellent conversation starter at your dinner date.